There's the faucet spraying all over the place, out the side and everything. Well, if it is, I'm going to show you how to fix it. Well, somebody's tried to mess with this before, because you can see the end of it here. If you can, it's damaged, and so and it's losing its finish. So I'm not going to worry too much about it. I just want to get the thing fixed. And so there's a couple of flats on here. Really, you're supposed to use the correct wrench that fits these two flats, but it appears to be that those are rounded. So I'm just going to use these, and then really what you want to do is just loosen that up, unscrew it. What happens is there's a lot of sediment that gets caught, and there's a filter here. It gets caught. Oh yeah, look at all that crap. So you can see just a ton. That's what's causing it right there. So I mean, really all you got to do is just clean that out. Oh, that thing's chewed up. There's the flats I'm talking about. So yeah, clean all that out in the thing, tighten it back up, and it'll be good to go. Right there, you can see I've even got it on my hands. So you can kind of get an idea. Take it, rinse it off. Okay, actually this thing, it's gonna need to be replaced. You can see it's got some damage to it. All right, I got a new one of these. I brought the old one to the store with me, and then I pulled this out and checked it and made sure it was the right one. Go ahead and install this. 22 millimeter here. I'm gonna put that gasket on top of it, just like that. I got a little bit wet first. All right, just pop it up in there. You can see those flats. That other one didn't have a gasket on it. Just take my 22 millimeter here, snug it down.